So this is called the green forest fried rice. So we have the green broccoli, beef, and garlic, green onion. Let's give a try. Try the broccoli first. The sound is very satisfying. Apa chili pepper too? This is so good. So let's try the beef steak. So how to make it? First you need to crush the garlic and then the chili pepper, and then fry it with enough oil, and then put the seasoning just for the salt, just salt, right? And then next we put the beef and fry it until it's half cooked, and then put the broccoli. This is the broccoli. Let's hear it again. Broccoli is still fresh, really good. Look at the fried rice. Can you see it? Green forest fried rice.